Hi everyone, welcome back. Today I brought you another Persian style recipe called Meygoo Polo. I will make it with potato tahdig, but that step is optional. Let's see what we need for a delicious shrimp rice. 250 gram shrimps, 340 gram basmati rice, 3/3 cup of peas and sweet corn, 1 medium carrot, 1 onion, 3 garlic cloves, 3 tablespoons of tomato paste, 1 medium potato, 1 teaspoon coriander, half teaspoon cayenne pepper, saffron, 2 teaspoon curry powder, 1 teaspoon turmeric, salt, pepper to taste, and 4 tablespoons of olive oil. For concentrated saffron, check the saffron rice cake recipe on my channel. Let's get started. Heat up 2 tablespoons of olive oil in a pan and fry onion for 3 minutes. Now we add the chopped garlic and fry it together for another 2 minutes. Add shrimp to the pan and fry it until both sides become pink, approximately for 2 minutes. Now we add the seasoning and the tomato paste and mix it well, then fry it for 2 minutes to deepen the flavor. After 2 minutes, add the bloomed saffron. Mix it, then add carrot, peas, sweet corn and 240 mg of boiling water. Stir it and bring it to boil. Then lower the heat and let it steam for 20 minutes with the lid on. In the meantime, boil water in another pot to the rice. Add salt and a drop of olive oil to the water. Before we add rice to the boiling water, we wash it for 3-4 times until the water becomes clear. We boil rice for 7 minutes. But it depends on the quality of the rice. For some brands, only 3 minutes is enough. Check it more times, and when outside of it is soft and the middle of it is hard, we can drain it and rinse it with cold water. Before we continue, please don't forget to like my video. If you have a moment, please share it with your friends. In the description below, you can find some kitchen equipment links. Also, you can find the German translation of this recipe and at the nosalty.hu, the Hungarian version of my recipes. Check them out. Thank you so much. Now add 2 tablespoons of olive oil in a non-stick pot. Start to layer the rice and the sauce. I started with potato as you can see, but it is optional. We just love the crispy potato at the bottom. And I also prefer potato tahdig because of my teeth. Don't forget to add salt between the layers. When everything is in the pot, make some space with a wooden spoon between the rice and the pot, and also poke some holes in the middle for better steaming. Now put the lid on and start to cook it on high temperature. When it is boiling, lower the heat, rub the lid with a kitchen towel and cook it for 45 minutes. Try this with a wet towel, and when you can hear this voice, you can start to serve. Thank you very much for watching. I appreciate that. Nuše John, bon appetit! I hope you have enjoyed my video. Share your opinion in a comment section below. See you next week.